Well, howdy folks, and welcome back to the channel. Sorry, I really don't have much of anything, for you guys this week. The onion season has, even though we do get days off here and there, usually on those days off, and, for the day off that I had today, I had to take care of some things around the house, so I just wasn't able to get anything filmed. But I do want to let you guys know, we're still trying to keep up with the, getting one video a week out to you guys. And I want to show you what we've got coming up. One of the things that we've got coming up is this right here. This is a hardtop. Now you can see I've got the side panels here, the doors. One of the windows has got a crack on the passenger side, and I think that I may have a spare for that. And then the back panel is in the shop. But we have to go ahead and get a few little dents and dings kind of fixed on it, and things like that. So we've got that coming up. We're going to be doing a hardtop install on private parts. So we'll show you, what it takes to go ahead and do this. I've never done it before, so y'all are going to be learning that, with me on this. We do have a manual for it, that shows the installation procedures. And we're going to be doing it a little different than the manual. Instead of, just punching holes and running bolts through things, we're going to be installing rivet nuts, so that we can remove the hardtop in the summertime, and we're going to make it so that we can remove it and keep it together. I do not know why this one was all taken apart. I think it was mainly for storage purposes, but at any rate, so we do have that coming up. And then we'll walk over here. Sorry about the disaster area that my yard has become. I just haven't had time to keep up with the yard maintenance. And these dadgum little plants, they go from nothing to this in just a couple of weeks. It's crazy out here. So, but we do have this pallet right here. And we've got tubes for it. We've got tubes for them. So we're going to be mounting all four of those up. We're going to be painting the wheels. I'll show you those. What we've got over here is that we've got some wheels that they've been bead blasted and they were primered, but they weren't primered real well. And we're going to be removing this tire here because this tire it's old and weather checked. These tires are for Chuck's Jeep, and so we've got brand new tubes for it. So we're going to be going ahead and getting all four of those kind of cleaned back up again, and some of we'll be sandblasting some of the surface rust that's been flashed onto that, and we'll be getting those mounted up and painted and installed on Chuck's Jeep. So at any rate, stick around. We're going to be back. We're probably maybe 2 to 3 weeks, I'm guessing, from being done with the onions this year. Hopefully we're going to be able to make a good strong push and get the harvest finished up, and hopefully we're not going to have any weather that's going to create a problem. But at any rate, like I said, stick around. We've got lots of stuff coming up. We do have an off-road race that I'm taking some time off to go ahead and film, so that's going to be coming up in a week or two. And and then once we get done with onions, we should be back on a normal schedule. And hopefully I'll be able to be getting a video a week out to you guys, and hopefully all winter long. So stick around. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. You guys are what, you know, I know the channel's small right now, but you guys that, you know, that keep commenting and liking the videos, you guys are the ones that keep me, you know, motivated to continue doing this. So at any rate, thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.